Hello friends, my name is Shalu Pal. Welcome to Interview Question and Answers video tutorial series. Today I will discuss question number 15th. What are some of your achievements or accomplishments? Many times in interviews, interviewer asks you this question that tell me some of your achievements, tell me your accomplishments. So how you can answer this question? First I would like to tell you some tips to answer this. My first tip is keep it real. Don't lie in your any achievement. Don't lie anything related to any of your achievement. Just keep it real and share your true experiences. Be relevant. You are applying for some position in that company. So try to share your achievement which is relevant to that, which is very much related to that. Next, sell yourself. See, here you have come to crack the interview. So try to share your achievement which shows your some good qualities and which will be helpful to impress the interviewer. Next, keep it recent. Share your recent achievement like being an experienced professional, you can share your previous company experience. Being a fresher, you can share your past college experience or any achievement you can share, but just try to keep it recent. Keep it professional. See, your achievement, if your experience should be professional, you have to include the past company experience or past company achievement, whichever achievement you have achieved in your past company, just share it. So just utilize these tips in your answer. First, I would like to tell you answers for fresher. Sir, I was a university topper in my graduation and university awarded me free scholarship for my further studies and I have successfully completed my post-graduation without any money from my parents. This is the biggest achievement of my life till now, but I believe there are many more to come in my near future. See, here being a fresher, I have shared my college experiences that sir, I was a university topper and my university has given me free scholarship for my further studies and I successfully did my post graduation without any money from my parents. So this is the biggest achievement of my life, but sir, I know that there are many more achievements yet to come in my near future. This is the best example for any fresher which you can give in the interview. Next answer. Sir, my biggest accomplishment is the one where I established the students club in my college with the help of some other friends and my college did appreciated my effort for students and made me union representative of students. See, here I am sharing one of my leadership quality that how I have successfully established the students club in my college and my dean was very happy with my effort for students and he made me union representative. So here I am showing one of my leadership skills. So I have given these two options for fresher. Always remember you have to share your true experience. Don't give as it is which I have given here. I have just shared my experiences but you have to share your own achievement to the interviewer. Next, see answers for experienced professional. My first answer. My biggest accomplishment was expanding and organizing a privately owned company. I not only organized the company's office and accounts but increased sales by 50% by my leadership within a year of joining the company. So here I am an experienced professional. So I am having some past company experiences and in my past company what I did, I increased the sales by 50% by my leadership. So here again I am showing my leadership quality. I am showing my management quality that how I have managed their office and accounts also. So this is the perfect answer which you can give to interviewer. He will be definitely impressed by your this answer. Next answer. My biggest accomplishment in the position was my relationship with the customers. They knew that I would do my best for them and they knew I would go out of the way to help them. I would treat them like I would wish to be treated if I was a customer at that store. Say if you are going for some job which includes lot of customer relationship, then this is the perfect answer for you. You can directly tell the interviewer that sir, my achievement in the position till now was only my relationship with the customer. I have best relationship with my customer and my customers are more than satisfied with my work. So this is the best answer if you are going for customer relationship job. Next answer. My biggest achievement is I managed to survive and adapt in one of the undeveloped countries in Africa to support and train local people to do our job function for my company. I also did the same role for my company in one of Central Asian countries. In the oil service industry, you have to be a very outgoing personality and can't be shy, and this experience has taught me not to be shy and overcome my fears of talking and communicating with people. So here also again I am sharing one of my experiences in past company that sir, I have worked in lot of countries and I have survived there successfully. I have trained local people of there, so I have successfully overcome my shy attitude and I have overcome my fears of talking and communicating to people. So in such a way also you can answer to interviewer. You can share one of your experiences which you think is the biggest achievement for you. So Hope you like my video. You can share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe my YouTube channel of Learn by Watch for more videos. Mail me any suggestions or comments on shalu@learnbywatch.com. You can buy my CD also, interview preparation video guide, which is available on Learn by Watch website. Thank you.